Picture this: a bustling Milwaukee street where pedestrians dodge speeding vehicles, fearing the next close call. Now, city officials are rolling out a daring experiment to tame the chaos and protect walkers. But is this flashing red light the hero we need, or just another traffic headache? Let's dive into the details and see what locals are saying about these new traffic calming measures on Brady Street. Milwaukee is set to transform a high-traffic junction with an innovative twist on road safety. Beginning December 1st, the crossing at Humboldt and Brady Streets will swap its standard traffic signal for a blinking red light, effectively turning it into a four-way stop setup. This approach is part of a 30-day trial program designed to curb reckless driving and make the area safer for foot traffic. For beginners wondering how this works, think of it as a signal that tells all drivers to halt completely and yield to others. Much like a standard intersection without lights, it's meant to slow things down naturally by requiring everyone to pause and check their surroundings. The initiative stems from a collaboration between Milwaukee's Department of Public Works and the Brady Street Business Improvement District. It's no surprise this change is happening, given the persistent worries about safety in the neighborhood. Just this past April, a hit-and-run accident left resident Tony Wiener injured while he was crossing Brady Street. The driver sped away, highlighting the urgent need for better protections. Wiener, who experienced the trauma firsthand, sees the new measures as a positive step forward. "It's a beginning, definitely better than doing nothing," Wiener remarked. "I could have been in a much worse situation, so I'm grateful we're seeing real progress here." He praised the city's initiative, adding, "They're stepping up instead of waiting for another tragedy." Wiener's story underscores the human cost of unsafe roads, and his support shows how these changes can bring hope to those affected. But here's where it gets controversial. The intersection isn't just any spot. It's right near the Tamarack Waldorf School, where many kids live in the area and walk to class each day. Parent Martha Flores points out the risks. "With so many students on foot, the dangers are real," she said. "Speeding cars not only pose physical threats, but also disrupt classrooms with their noise." Flores appreciates the effort to boost safety, but isn't sold on the blinking red light. She worries it might frustrate drivers, leading to impatience and potential unsafe behaviors. "I've escorted kindergartners across the street before, and even the regular light takes time. Imagine adding that blinking feature, making drivers wonder when they can finally move," she explained. Instead of the current plan, Flores suggests placing a stop sign farther down the block to gradually slow traffic as it approaches. She also backs the idea of adding speed tables, those raised platforms on the road that force vehicles to slow down physically, like gentle bumps that encourage cautious driving. This could be part of a follow-up phase, turning the pilot into something more comprehensive. And this is the part most people miss. While the blinking light aims to create equal stops for all directions, some might argue it could lead to longer waits or confusion, especially during peak hours, potentially sparking debates about whether it truly enhances safety or just shifts frustrations elsewhere. Officials will monitor the 30-day pilot closely to assess if it successfully lowers speeds and protects pedestrians. To get more insights into the project, check out this link: https://engage milwaukee.gov/Brady-traffic-calming. This piece was originally covered on air by Megan Lee and adapted here with AI assistance, ensuring our editorial standards of fairness and accuracy. Let's chat about this. At TMJ4 News, we're passionate about sparking conversations on topics that impact your community. What do you think? Will this blinking red light fix the problems on Brady Street, or should they try Martha's speed table idea instead? Do you have a strong opinion on traffic calming in your own neighborhood? Share your thoughts in the comments below, or drop us a tip or story idea using the form. For more ways to connect, visit tmj4.com/tips. Catch up on news whenever suits you best. Stream TMJ4 local updates and forecasts around the clock by searching for TMJ4 on your device. It's available on Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and plenty more. https://www.tmj4.com/apps. Spot a typo or error? Let us know here. https://www tmj4.com/report a typo. Ready to submit a news tip? Head over https://www.tmj4.com/news/submit-news-tip. Copyright 2025 Scripps Media Incorporated. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed.